Madam President of the EPFL, chère Anna, chère Aude, distinguished guests, entrepreneurs, ladies and gentlemen. Look around you. Robots are everywhere. And I don't mean your neighbor in the next seat. I mean the robot that wrapped your bar of chocolate, the one that cleaned the station hall you walked through this morning, or the one you might strap around your legs next summer to help you hike through the Vaud Alps. In fact, robots have been developed here for more than 50 years in the first laboratories of EPFL, just a few steps from where we stand today, and in many of our local companies. Professor Aude Billard has played a key role in this story. Since 2003, she has led EPFL's Learning Algorithms and Systems Lab, driving forward the science of robotic learning. From assembly lines to agriculture fields, from railway inspection to space exploration, these innovations increase productivity, protect workers' health and safety, and create high-value jobs for our region. Robotics is no longer a niche. It now touches every sector of our economy. In agriculture, the company Robotics, whose chief technology officer you will hear from later, has designed a weeding robot that uses artificial vision to apply only the minimal amount of product needed precisely where it is required. In healthcare, robotics is also gaining ground. At Biopol, in Epalinges, and at EPFL, teams are developing assistance robots for surgery and rehabilitation. The TRICE exoskeleton, for instance, allows people with paralysis to stand up and walk again. These breakthroughs flourish because our canton is open to the new world, open to new partnerships, subcontractors, and startups with fresh ideas. Lately, I had the honor of leading an economic mission to China, where Vaud entrepreneurs explored the Chinese market and identified opportunities for collaboration in robotics, AI, and clean tech. A similar visit to India in October, shortly after the free trade agreement between our two countries came into effect, pursued the same goal. Building concrete links between our regions, research centers, companies, and new partners abroad. One lesson stands out. Switzerland cannot compete on low-cost manufacturing. Our robotics must rely on high trust. Excellence built on precision and reliability. We must focus on high-end robotics and soft robotics, ultra-precise systems for demanding high-value sectors such as industry, medicine, and sustainability. And here, the Canton of Vaud has real strengths. There is, of course, the EPFL, whose first robotics labs date back to the 70s. But there are our universities, such as the School of Management and Engineering Vaud and the University of Lausanne, which train a highly skilled workforce admired worldwide. Our 8 innovation parks, including the Y Park, Yverdon Park, the Technopole and the Biopole, create a strong network linking research to business. We also play an active role in the Trust Valley the Health Valley and have initiated the Swiss Food and Nutrition Valley, enabling companies and research institutions to collaborate across cantonal borders. And last but not least, we are home to major companies such as Bobst, Delwest, and Nestlé, who continue to integrate the latest robotic technologies into their production. The canton supports this momentum with a clear policy framework. The law on economic development promotes innovation and digital transformation through public funding. Organizations such as the Economic Promotion Agency, Innovo, and the FIT Foundation help entrepreneurs build prototypes, connect with partners, and secure private investments. These efforts are paying off. According to the 2025 Startup Genome Report, the Greater Lausanne region now ranks among the world's 10 most dynamic emerging ecosystems. This recognition confirms that Vaud offers an environment where robotics and innovation can thrive. Ladies and gentlemen, the remarkable technologies you have heard about and those you will see this afternoon are all born from human imagination. I'm reminded of Albert Einstein, who found in Switzerland a fertile ground for learning and teaching, who once said, "The true science of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination." That ability to imagine, to take risks, this is our motto. To infinity and beyond. Thank you.